Hi guys, welcome to TeachBeach Analysis. Many of us save numbers sometimes in SIM or sometimes in Google. But from the contract of the phone, we cannot understand which one is saved in Google and which one is in SIM. So, to solve this problem, today's video is brought to you. Today we will show you how to see which numbers are saved in Google. Friends, let's go to the screen of the phone. So we will now go to our phone's YouTube and click on the red marked area, then it will say manage your account. If we click there we will enter it and get many options. After that, we will click on people and sharing. After that we will be able to see the written contracts. So friends, if you like the video then press the subscribe and bell icon and stay with us. We will be with you to solve thousands of small to big problems. Thank you all, stay well, be careful.